Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be working on this diamond caulk and horseshoe crate tool. I'm very excited for this. I can't wait to get this cleaned up and thrown in my collection. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go! Alrighty guys, well let's get a good quick look at this. This is the diamond caulk and horseshoe crate tool that my buddy Jim from Hand Tool Restoration sent me. This thing is quite awesome and I'm honored to have it. I want to get this cleaned up. I don't want to do a restoration on it. I just want to get the rust off it, get it protected from further rust issues, and get it hung on the wall of love. So this will go really nice in my diamond collection, so I'm pretty excited to have this. So I say we throw it on the wire wheel and start cleaning this thing up. Alrighty, well, that wire wheel did a fantastic job of getting almost all the rust off there. I'm quite happy with that. What I think I am going to do is grab my Dremel and I'm going to get inside the pry bar end of there, get all the rust out of there, go over it one more time with the Dremel, and we'll see what we got from there. Well, after cleaning this up and looking at it, I think I've come to the conclusion of where I am just going to wind up going a little bit overboard on this one. There's a lot of dings, dents, pings. I don't know if that's showing up. See if I can't get you zoomed in a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. See all the dings and stuff all over the head, all over the shaft of it. We really need to do a little bit better with that. Yep. We're going to throw some power tools at this. So let's get set up for that. Alright guys, we're going to use the 1x30. I got a used 120 grit belt on there. I do need to be careful around where it's stamped Dymalloy, and of course on the back side, but I think it's stamped in there deep enough to where we can take care of it. First, let's start with the pry ends. We'll get those cleaned up and addressed, and then we'll pay some attention to the shaft of it. So let's jump right into that. I think that's starting to clean up fantastic. Yeah, I think that's starting to clean up rather well, front and back side. It's kind of what I'm looking for. I didn't want to do this, but it definitely needs it. So let's start on this end. So let me show you what I'm kind of running into with this. It's a not very good forge. This side is the best side. Flip it over and we've got concave forged on this side. That's going to be a lot of material removal there. I'm not quite sure how we're going to go about doing this. I don't want to take a lot off this, but we've got to get that out. That looks like, that looks bad. Well, let me go grab a cold adult beverage and give this a think about it, and we'll get right back at it. All right, well, after some close deliberation on this thing, I came to the conclusion that I am just going to keep sanding away on there to try and get that concaveness out of there. I'm going to try and match it up to the other side. I mean, I could probably hide it just by keeping this side against the wall, you know what I mean, and hanging it like this, but that's kind of cheating, and I don't want to do it that way. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this out and we'll see where we go from there. Okay? Alright guys, well, I am pretty happy with that. This thing came out fantastic. It kind of exceeded expectations. I just wanted to clean it up, but yeah, it wound up turning into a little bit of something different. You can still read diamond caulk on there. That's pretty cool. Everything's still on there. Hopefully we can see this. There is a little bit of pitting right in there, a couple little spots, but we did the best we could, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. So it's another cool tool from Diamond Calk and Horseshoe, man. This thing's a stunner, and I can't wait to get it on the wall. So let's get it up there. There it is. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with the Diamond Calk and Horseshoe crate tool. I'm extremely happy with that. Hope you guys are too. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you guys next week with another. Bye.